Hello, Mr. Kaczynski here with you, working through Section F of IXL's 8th grade math skills, cube roots of positive and negative perfect cubes today. Here's what we're dealing with. What is the cube root of 125? Well, the answer is 5. The reason I know it's 5 is because I know that 5 cubed is 125. Another way to write 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, times another 5 is 125. So the cube root of 125 is 5 because 5 cubed is 125. So what do you think the cube root of negative 125 is? You got it, it's negative 5. All right, we can't do square roots of negatives, but we can do cube roots of negatives. And the reason is because negative 5 times negative 5, which is 25, times another negative 5 would be negative 125. So the cube root of negative 125 is negative 5 because negative 5 cubed is negative 125. Here's another way to ask what the cube root of something is with this symbols here, or these symbols. What's the cube root of 64? It's 4. And the reason we know it's 4 is because 4 cubed is 64. 4 times 4 is 16, times another 4 is 64, so 4. And the cube root of negative 8 is negative 2, because negative 2 times negative 2 is 4, times a third negative 2 would be negative 8. So negative 2 cubed is negative 8. Sometimes the numbers get a little bigger and we might need a calculator to check them out, okay? No problem. Oh, there's my answer right there. What is the cube root? There's our cube root button. It's nth root of 512. It's 8 because 8 to the third power is 512. So the cube root of 512 is 8. And what about the cube root of negative 729? Well, we know the answer is negative because we're taking the cube root of a negative. So cube root of 729 is 9. So the cube root of negative 729 must be negative 9. So negative 9. All right, that should get you going on finding cube roots of positive and negative perfect cubes. Good luck.